Hi, today I will tell how you can describe image in Midjourney. For example, you have some image and you have to write a prompt about the image, or you want to know prompt for this image. Maybe not exactly, but uh, around this image you can get image like this if you get a prompt. How to get the prompt for image? Uh, I'll start from beginning. I will show how I did this. For example, I have a image which I made in Blender, and I want to repeat the same image in Midjourney, just to make a different style of other composition. Uh, and I just write, describe, and then I put image, and I'm looking on PC image, for example, this image of that's better. Which kind of image? Uh, Okay, I already did this, that's why I will not repeat. I will show on them. Okay, I did the same with a donut. And I got four description. I tried one description. From one description, I get this. Another composition, the same style. Then in description, I wrote Andy Warhol style. I just edit something. And because I added Andy Warhol style, this image looks more like cartoons and more juicy, more bright, better color. I think because I wrote Andy Warhol style. And then I tried number two description. Here I wrote architectural style. I thought if I write architectural style, it will be more minimalistic, but yeah, it stays like cartoons. But I like this. So some, for example, this is nice composition. And upscale number three. So I can do upscale one from these four images. Especially I like more number three. And then I just um render the description from prompt from image number four. This last number four. A stock of colorful donuts with green and pink icing and sprinkles on top sitting next to the kitchen utensils on the table. And so you can read this. And then image, first image, I think, yeah, no, one of image, I think, this from Andy Warhol style, one of image. I just upscaled number one. So it's very beautiful. Yeah, donuts like looks more sharp than in real life. But for advertising and for cartoons, it's quite suitable. And then I did very stable, and I got four variation. Then I did region of this cup, but nothing changed. Not a lot of changing I got. Only different flowers. And then I decided to describe this image with two cats. And I got four description, which I didn't change. Uh, and I rendered this full description. This looks funny. It looks funny. First description, second description, third description. Yeah, I like mostly number was this first. Well, upscale number first, and then post description, So it's funny. It's nice. Especially I like this and this image. I've scaled number one and I'll scale number two. So number one, that's just quiet. Two cats. Two humanoid cats dressed in pink and blue winter suit with fluffy fur, wearing white shoes on their feet, walking through the snow on Siberia against the backdrop of Russian Christmas trees decorated for Christmas. There was an ice cream truck parked nearby while two donors flew overhead. The ground, covered in thick layers of snow, reflected light beautifully. In front of them stood a large Christmas tree with colorful ornaments hanging from its branches in the style of Thomas Kincaid. So, description: everything I do in version 6. Oh, this is very dynamic pictures. So, these are three pictures I've scaled. Uh, So I told you how you can describe an image. You can also make a what you describe, write describe. You can option can put image or you can put a link. So decide to, and you can also something to write. For example, I don't know, some pink color. Also it. So I hope uh, this video will be very useful for you. You can try to make your own images. Ciao.